exercise 6.3 of the chapter square and square roots. Now in this question, what could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following numbers? So here we want to find the digit of the square root of 9801 at its unit place. In this first question, to evaluate the digit of unit place of the square root of all these numbers, first of all we will write the squares of the numbers from 1 to 10. So let's here all the squares of starting from 1 to 10 is written over here. Now if you want to find the unit digit of the square of all these numbers, so here square root of 9801 will be, as if one square is 1, then square root of 1 will be 1. Square root of 4 will be 2. Square root of 9 will be 3. That is like square root of 9 will be written as 3 into 3. That will be 3. So in a similar way, 16 will be 4. 25 will be 5. 36 will be 6. 49 will be 7. Square root of here unit digit is 1. अब हमारे पास 9801 की जो यूनिट डिजिट है 1, तो इसका जो स्क्वायर रूट होगा, तो हेयर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 जो है वो 1 है, और यहाँ पे जो 81 है उसका जो स्क्वायर रूट है वो 9 है, और 9 is a single number, so its unit place is 9. So if a number has a unit digit 1, then its square root may be 1 or 9, because square root of 81 is 9 and its unit digit is also 1, so its square root will be either 1 or 9. So 1 or 9, because here square root of 1 is 1, which has a unit place 1. Now square root of 81 is again 9 at its unit place. Its number is also 9 because it is a single number. So square root of 81 is 9. So here unit place, at a unit place it is given that number 1. So if we had a 1 at a unit place, so its square root will be has a unit digit at 1 or 9. So here 1 or 9. अब नेक्स्ट हमारे पास आता है, तो इसके स्क्वायर रूट में यूनिट डिजिट की वैल्यू जो है वो 6 है। तो अब 6 के जो पीछे नंबर है वो 16 है, तो 16 का स्क्वायर रूट 4 होगा, और 36 है, यहाँ पे भी यूनिट डिजिट पे 6 है, तो हेयर हमारा जो यूनिट डिजिट पे नंबर 6 है। तो अब हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं कि 6 यूनिट डिजिट वाले नंबर्स के स्क्वायर रूट क्या क्या हैं। यहाँ पे 16 है तो यूनिट डिजिट 6 है, सो हेयर इट इज 4। नेक्स्ट 36 में यूनिट डिजिट 6 है, तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट 6 है, तो या 4 होगा या 6 होगा। नाउ नेक्स्ट, सो हेयर अगर हम इसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करेंगे तो जो भी हमारे पास नंबर आएगा उसका यूनिट डिजिट या तो 4 होगा या 6 होगा। नाउ नेक्स्ट, here if you want to find the square root of this number, as at its unit place the digit is 1, so again its square root has a unit digit number either 1 or 9, so 1 or 9. Next has a unit digit 5, so its square root number will be 5 only, 5. So अगर हम इसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करेंगे, अगर एज वी आर सेइंग दैट हियर यूनिट प्लेस नंबर इज 5, यहाँ पे जो यूनिट डिजिट है वो 5 है, तो इसका जब हम स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो हमारा जो आंसर होगा उसका यूनिट डिजिट 5 होगा। That's all. Now let's do next question. Without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not a perfect square. Now, to check that these numbers are perfect square or not, for that we will check whether at the unit place these numbers are present or not, that are 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and zeros. These can be calculating by the squares of the numbers from 1 to 10. These numbers are at the unit place of the squares of that numbers. Now 153, its unit place is 3. 3 is not lying all these numbers, so this is not a perfect square. Now similarly 7 is not present in these numbers, so as its unit place is 7, that its unit digit is 7, so 7 is not present in these numbers. This is not a perfect square. 8 is not present in these numbers. It is not a perfect square. But 1 is present in these numbers. So yes, this is a perfect square. This is a perfect square. अगर किसी भी नंबर के जो स्क्वायर में उसके यूनिट प्लेस पे इनमें से कोई नंबर है तो वो जो नंबर है किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर होगा, अदरवाइज ये वो जो स्क्वायर नंबर है वो किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर नहीं होगा. Now we will do the third question. Find the square root of the following number by repeated subtraction method. This method we had done in the introductory part. Now let us do the question. We will find the under root of 100 by repeated subtraction method. इस मेथड में हम 100 में से odd numbers को subtract करेंगे. So here 100 minus 1 will be 99. अब 1 के बाद कौन सा odd number आता है? 3. तो 99 minus 3 that will be 96. अब हमने जो 3 को subtract करना है वो 100 में से नहीं करना, जो हमारा आंसर है उसमें से करना है. तो 99 minus 3 will be 96. अब next answer is 96. So 96 minus 5 will be 91. 91 minus 7 के बाद odd number 7 आता है. 5 के बाद odd number 7. So 91 minus 7 will be 84. 84 minus 7 के बाद 9. So 84 minus 9 will be 75. 75 minus 11 that will be 75. 64. 64 minus 11 के बाद 13. अब ये आ गया हमारे पास 51. Now next is 51 minus 15, that will be 11 minus 5 6, 4 minus 1 36. Now 36 15 के बाद 17. 16 minus 7 will be 9 and 2 minus 1 will be 1. Now 19 के बाद next 17 के बाद next number will be 19. That is an odd number. So 19 minus 19 will be 0. So in this way we will be proceeding one by one step until we cannot get the number 0 as answer. So here now we will calculate the number of steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So by proceeding 10 steps we are reaching at the 0. So under root of 100 will be 10. So this is a method of repeated subtraction by the consecutive odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Now next part is under root of 169. We will be moving as it is 169 will be subtracted. So 169 minus 1 will be 168. 168 minus 3, 165. 165 minus 5 will be 160. 160 minus 7 will be 10 minus 7 is 3. Next is 5, 1. So 153 minus 9. 13 minus 9 will be 4. 4, 1. Now 144 minus 11. That will be 133. 133 minus 13 will be 0 to 120. 120 minus 15 will be 105. 105 minus 17 will be 15 minus 7 will be 8. Here the number is 9. 9 minus 1 will be 8. Now 88 minus 17 के बाद आएगा 90. So 90. 18 minus 9 will be 9. 7 minus 1 will be 6. 69 minus 21. 8, 4, 48. 48 minus 23. That will be 5. 4 minus 2 will be 25. Now 25 minus 25. क्योंकि 23 के बाद 25 odd number है. That will be 0. So we reach at our target. Now number of steps will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 steps. So under root of 169 will be 13. So this is all about this math. Now let's do next question. Find the square root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So for that, under root of 729 will be 729. First of all, our unit digit is 9. So we will be factorized by 3 firstly. 3 to the 6, 1 carry, 4, 12, 3 3 the 9. Now 8 3 the 24, 3 1 the 3. Again after 3, 3 to the 6 and 7 3 the 21. 3 9 the 27, 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3. Now square root of 729 will be like 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So one pair. So here are 3 pairs of 3 numbers. So 3 from one pair will be taken out. From second pair, 1 3 number will be taken out. 1 3 will be again taken out for the third pair. Now that will be product of these 3 will be 27. So this is our answer. Square root of 729 will be 27. Now next is we will find the square root of 400. That will be 2 to the 4 with 2 zeros, 2 1 the 2 with 2 zeros, 2 5 the 10 with 1 0, 2 25 to the 50. Now 5 5 the 25, 5 1 the 5. Now because as its unit digit is 5, so we will take the 5 as a number. Now square root of 400 will be under root of 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 and 2 times 5. Now that will be, we will be pairing all these numbers. So 1 2 will be taken out from the couple of 2. Again 1 2 will be taken out and 1 5 will be taken out. So product of all these numbers will be 20. So this is our answer. Now next is 1764. Unit digit is 4. Let's multiply it with the 2. 2 8 the 16, 1 carry, 2 8 the 16, 2 to the 4. 2 4 the 8, 2 4 the 8, 2 1 the 2. Here unit digit is 1. We will not take 2 as a number. So if we try with 3, then 3 1 the 3, 1 carry. Here will be 14, 3 4 the 12, 2 will be carried out here. So 3 7 the 21. Now here 7 to the 14, 7 1 the 7, 7 3 the 21, 3 1 the 3. Now in this way we will get 2 times 2, 3 multiply by 3, 7 multiply by 7. So we will take the pairing of these numbers. 2 will be taken out from one pair, 3 and 7. So from all these pairs, one number will be taken out from the square root. So product of these numbers will be 7 0 21, 21 multiplied by 2 will be 42. So this is our answer. Now next will be 4096. So 2 to the 4 0 will be depending upon the number which is present at its unit digit, we will be choosing the number. So here 6 is present, so 2 3 the 6. So we will taking 2 2 to the 4 0, 2 4 the 8, 2 8 the 16, 2 1 the 2 0, 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4. Again 2, so 2 to the 4, 5 to the 10, 6. Now 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 8 the 16, 2 6 the 12, 4, 2 3 32, 2 16 the 32, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2. So number of 2's are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 2, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So pairing will be there, 1 2 here, 2 2. So 6 times 2 will be taken out because 12 2 are present, so 6 pair will be possible. So 6 times 2 will be taken out from the square root. So 5 6. Product of these numbers, 2 to the 4 to the 6, 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8, to the 16, to the 32, to the 64. So this is all about our answer. Now let's do next part. 7744. Now here at a unit digit 4 is present, so we will choose a number 2. 2 3 the 6, 2 8 the 16, and 2 7 the 14, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 6 the 12, 2 9 the 18, 2 6 the 12, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 to the 4, 4 the 8, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2, 11, 11 is a 121, 11 11 the 1. Because at a unit place 1 is there, so either we will take as that we will choose a number whose unit digit is 1 or 9. So first of all we will choose the 11 as a number. So 11 1 the 11, 1 carry, so 11 1 the 11 again. So instead of 19 we will choose a number 11. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times 2, 4 5 6 11 and again 11. So 1 2 3 4, 2 2 3 times 2, 1 2 3 times 2 and 11 will be taken out from the square root. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 into 11, 88. See, this is our answer. Next part, 9604. At a unit digit 4 is present, so we will choose a number 2. We will choosing from the starting of the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So 2 for the 8, 2 8 the 16, 0, 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4, 2 for the 8, 0, 1. Now, as at a unit digit 1 is present, so we will not taking 2. If we choose 3 as a number, then it's not possible. 4, 5, 6 can't be possible. Let's take 7. So 7 3 the 21. So 3 number will be 30. 30 will be there. 7 4 the 28. 7 3 the 21. Now 7 4 the 28. 29, 30 and 4 more 63. 9 6 are 63, 7 7 the 49, 7 1 the 7. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 times 4. That will be, pairing of these numbers will be 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. That will be 7 7 the 49, 49 multiplied by 2, we get 9 2 the 8, 1 carry, 4 to the 8, 1 9. So 98 will be the answer. Now as at this number at a unit digit 9 is present, which may be 3 square or 7 square is also 49. So if we take 3 as a number, then it can't be divided 59, 29. So instead of 5929 divided by 3, we will choose 7 as a number. 8, 7 the 56. So here 3 will be carried. 7 4 the 28. So 32 minus 28 will be 4, 7 7 the 49. Now 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14, 7 1 the 7. So 11 1 the 11, 11 1 the 11. 11 11 the 121. Now 11 1 the 11. Now square root of these numbers will be 5929. That will be 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. Now taking pairing of all these numbers, 7 multiplied by 11, that will be 77. This is your answer. Now next is 9216. At a unit digit 6 is present, we can choose the number 2. Now 2 4 the 8, 6 to the 12, 0, 2 8 the 16. 2 to the 4, 3 the 6, 0, 4. 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 5 the 10, 2 to the 4. 2 5 the 10, 2 7 the 14, 6 the 12. 2 to the 4, 2 8 the 16, 2 8 the 16. 2 1 144, 72 to the 144, 36 to the 72, 218 the 36, 2 9 the 18. Now 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 times 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now 2 times 3. So 5 times 2, 4, 5 and 1 time 3. So we get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 multiplied by 3. That will be 96. So this is all about the prime factorization method. Now we will find the square root of 529. As we see that here at a unit digit 9 is present, we can choose 3 as a number or 7 as a number. If we choose 3 as a number, then 3 can be divided by 529. Let's check. 3 1 the 3, 2, 7 to the 21. So 19 is present. 19 is not coming in the table of 3. So we can't choose 3 as a number. In a similar way, if we choose 7 as a number, then 7 7 the 49, and 3 number is there. 39 is not coming in the table of 7 again, so we can choose these. So we can't choose 3 and 7. So instead of taking all many numbers, so we can choose, like here 9 is present, we can choose as 3 square is 9, which is not a square root of 529. Now we will choose 13 square. Now 13 square, 13 multiplied by 13, that will be 33, and 13, that will be 169, which is not a 529. So let's choose next 23 square. So if we multiply 23 with 23, we get 3 to the 9, 3 to the 6 multiply by 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carry 5. So 529, which is our number. That means we will choose 23 as a number. So 23 multiplied by 23. So we will take out 123 from the square root, and this is our answer. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमने देखा कि अगर हम 3 नंबर को या 7 नंबर को चूज करते हैं, बिकॉज 3 स्क्वायर इज 9 और 7 स्क्वायर इज 49, एट ए यूनिट प्लेस 9 इज प्रेजेंट, तो हमने देखा कि ये दोनों नंबर जो हैं वो 599 के टेबल के साथ डिविजिबल नहीं है. तो इन दैट केस हम सारे नंबर्स टेकिंग फ्रॉम 1 to 20 एंड 21, इतने सारे नंबर्स को ट्राई करने की बजाय हम यहाँ पे यूनिट डिजिट देखेंगे, दैट इज 9. तो 9 जो होता है वो 3 का स्क्वायर होता है. अब 3 स्क्वायर 9 है, वो 599 के इक्वल तो हो नहीं सकता. फिर हम 13 चूज करेंगे, 13 का स्क्वायर चूज करेंगे, 23 का स्क्वायर, ऐसे ही 33 का स्क्वायर, 43 का स्क्वायर एंड सो ऑन. ऐसे ही हम ये फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि उनका स्क्वायर क्या इनमें से कोई नंबर है. तो इस मेथड से हम इसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, rather choosing the sequence of numbers. That's all. Now let's do the square root of 8100. Now instead of taking 8100, we will choose 81. So here 3 to the 6, because at a unit digit 1 is present, so we will not take 2 as a number. We will choose next number, that is 3. 3 to the 6, 7 to the 21. Now 3 9 the 27, 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3. Now 100 will be written like 2 5 the 10, 0, 25 to the 50, 5 5 the 25, 5 1 the 5. So in this way 4 times 3 and 2 times 2, 5 times 5, 2 times. So we will taking one number from the pair of these numbers. That will be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10, 3 3 are 9. 9 multiplied by 10 will be 90. So 81 square root of 81 100 will be 90. So this is our answer. That's all.